How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Merlin Dean here. We're going to go through the Apple Pencil. This is the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. It's only going to work with the Apple iPad Pro that you see here. It doesn't have the lightning at the bottom. It's got the USB-C. So let's open her up. Just follow the arrow right here on the wrapping. The world famous Apple merchandising. So we'll open this up and you'll see how easy it is to get it started, get it paired up to your iPad Pro. So one thing that I want you to see is that I have heard that you do not get an extra tip this time. Let's find out if that rumor is true. They used to give you an extra tip. So when the pencil wears out, this tip here, and about the end of a year, this thing just screws off and you put another one on there. And nope, there isn't one on here. It's true. But they're only about 10 bucks, apple.com, so no big deal. Okay, so here's what you do. You got your pencil. By the way, I got Drones by Merlin on here. You can do a special, you can put that on custom. So I'm gonna unwrap the plastic here. And here's what you do, folks. Here's how easy it is. You take your Apple Pencil, you take your Apple iPad Pro. So you take your iPad Pro and you're gonna look on the side for this thing here. You see this thing on the side, this little dark thing there? Take the flat part of the pencil, slap it on there, and you see what it says, Apple Pencil. It says 70% charge. And it's already paired up, folks. That's how easy it is. Then, let's pretend like you turn this off, okay? Let's just turn everything off. And let's pretend like you're going to sign in, okay? One of the cool things about the Apple Pencil is once you just tap the screen, it gets you right into an instant note. You can create a new note. Just hit okay, and it instantly starts getting you to be able to draw. So let's just try this for the first time. I'm gonna go a little bit thicker here. And we're gonna pick that drawing. And then let's see here. Let's see if I can do one kind of cool graphics here. You can see you can control the thickness. And when you press down on the Apple Pencil, it's just like a paintbrush. You'll actually get a nice thick response, and it depends on the apps that you use, and the different apps will give you different results. So I'm going to go to like red. Yeah, you can do some shading. So just fun stuff. I'm going to be doing other videos on how to use your Apple Pencil, and you can just copy me, and I purposely look like an absolute slob. I make these really sloppy, but you can actually spend more time and still make the shading look okay. You know, it's that kind of art that, you know, it's like Picasso looks all scribbly until you realize the genius behind the scribble. You get the idea. Thanks a lot, everybody.